Hello, beautiful people. This is your girl Shine. I'm back with another video. Today I'm going to be showing you a lock braid out. This is my go-to. It's nice and it's simple for you all. I use design essentials and water, of course. If you are interested, which I know you are because it's me, go ahead and like, subscribe, comment, share, all that good stuff. And with that being said, let's get into it. So I have sectioned everything off. I moisturized with the leave-in conditioner. So now I'm simply going to braid it up. There's no special technique. I like to keep my roots loose because I don't like a bunch of tension on my scalp or anything like that. And I just take my time, y'all. So now that that is done, I'm simply going to take another section out. I'm going to braid that up. I'm going to let some music play in the background and finish what's left.
She makes you smile. She makes you laugh. She makes you happy in ways I never have. I try to hate you, find faults or crimes, but your only fault is that no longer mine. And I know it's wrong to take what I like, but I hope there's trouble in paradise. You seem to think that she'll be the one.
So as you can see, the little lock in the back does not want me to be great. It wants to give me a hard time. But anywho, I'm just showing you the ends of my hair. I kind of been practicing with its Bantu knot at the ends method. And pretty much I'm using my finger as a base. And I'm bringing the hair over my finger. And then I'm bringing the hair upwards to wrap around the actual lock, which forms a Bantu knot at the end. I'm going to show you guys in slower motion just so you can get an idea of what it is that I'm talking about in the next clip. So I'm simply bringing the end of my hair around my finger, right? So you see that excess, and then I'm going to take that excess that is hanging out for being around my finger, and I'm literally wrapping it around the lock braid itself pretty much until the hair runs out. And that is how you form the Bantu knot at the end of your hair.
Cause no one will love you like me.
So it is the next day. I've added some oil to my hands and I am going to simply unravel. You'll see how I just kind of pull it down and the knot kind of unravels by itself. And I'm going to continue to do this for the rest of the braids. I'm just showing you guys again how I'm just gliding my fingers down the braid and the knot automatically comes out.
Ryan Little.
Alright, y'all, so these are the results. I love how it came out. Whether I do my sections big or small, my braid outs always come out beautiful like this. So I hope you guys enjoyed. Until next week, and I'm gonna leave you with this little clip, okay?